Hi, my name is Eric Cantrell from 7thSense, and we're here at ISE 2025. We're showing our R-Series and P-Series media servers, as well as our Juggler pixel processors and Medialon show control systems.
So where do these go?
These media servers are used for themed entertainment attractions, museums, anywhere that you have a lot of pixels that you need to play as accurately as possible. We specialize in uncompressed media playback, so we do really, really big pixel canvases like the Sphere in Las Vegas.
All right. You running the Sphere?
We are.
How many pixels do they have?
The interior screen is about 16,000 by 16,000 pixels.
And it's running on 7thSense.
The playback system that's built into the Sphere is 7thSense, but it's also capable of using ST2110 to bring in sources from production trucks or other media servers. Every pixel in the Sphere is running through a Juggler pixel processor in order to get to the LED itself.
Every pixel?
Every pixel.
All right. It's kind of like the ultimate
use case.
ISE kind of thing, no? The Sphere?
The Sphere, it's a great example of the type of stuff that we see at ISE just applied huge.
What's happening in here?
So in here we have a demo of our Actor media server. It is playing back, media onto these tracked projection mapping objects. These are just white 3D printed objects. But what we're doing that's a little bit weird, projection mapping we normally see in like for buildings or in castles in theme parks. But what we're doing is we're moving the things, and those buildings don't typically move. So what we've got are these objects, and our media server is taking the position of these objects from these motion tracking camera rig up above here and using these passive infrared markers or these active infrared dots on the models.
So you have a bunch of these around the room.
Yeah, exactly. So these are motion capture cameras that you would see for like film production. We're using them to put the position information of these objects into our software, and then
it seems very fast when you move. It's just there.
Yes, it's moving at 240 frames per second. Oop.
Wow! And it can track little things, bigger things,
small things, big things. Not sure what's going on.
Yeah, and it's all going through the software there.
It is. It's after hours right now, so we have some people working on the system.
Let's have a look here. This is silicon core, a big.
This is a huge silicon core display. It looks gorgeous.
And what's happened with that?
And we are playing back 60 frame per second 10-bit media from one of our R-Series or P-Series 6 media servers.
60 frame per second, 10-bit, and it's full HD, right?
It's no, this is bigger than full HD. This is actually
full HD plus, or what's it called?
It's 20. It's not quite 4K. It's like 25 something. Yeah.
All right. And what do you have here?
So this is an example of all of our products that we have here at the show. So the R-Series 10, this is the server that's running that tracking demo, the media server for that. The P-Series 6 is running the media on the silicon core wall. We've got a Juggler down here. It's not actually running anything at the moment. We have some control PCs. The show control system driving all the lighting is off this little Showmaster Go. Yeah, so we've got all kinds of stuff going on here at 7thSense.
All right. And is this your software?
This is the show control system Medialon Manager that runs on the Showmaster hardware that we have here. This allows us to control audiovisual equipment, lighting equipment, IT equipment, and make a show, a cohesive show with good timing and interactivity between all those disparate systems.
Do you work with a Megapixel?
We do work with Megapixel.
So what is their role and your role? How does it work?
So Megapixel processes the pixels before sending out the pixel information to a video wall. We are the media server that prepares the pixels for the media, for the pixel processor. So we're one step upstream of the pixel processor.
And you have a lot of partnerships, many customers in this industry.
Oh yes, there's a lot of systems integrators that use our products for themed entertainment applications, museum applications, shows, nighttime spectaculars, that kind of thing. at the show, we are partnering with Sony, Scalable, Silicon Core, and Target 3D just to do the tech in our booth. But then you can also find our equipment over at Absen Live, at Silicon Core. We have some stuff also at Sony, and there's another one. I know there's another one. Can't remember. It's on the sign. Peerless AV.
All right. There it is.